Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am sticking with my Valentine's theme. I am going to be doing the love sign. It is one of those stand-up tabletop signs. I have a little bit of pink from Nick Pro mixed up, and I'm just going to drizzle it here and there. This pink is nice. I've had trouble finding a good pink that I like. It's either too peachy of a pink or it is just too red of a pink. It's not the perfect pink, but this one seems to be pretty good. I'm just trying to get a little bit of it into each of my letters. Get some into my L and then into my O. And then I'm going to move on and mix up a few more colors and glitter. And I'm going to grab some seed beads too. I have some seed beads in this big package. I got the package from Five Below, I believe. So I'm just going to put some resin into my little measuring cups. Alright, we get that all separated. I don't know how much really I have in each cup. It's about even. So I'm going to take my pink glitter that I got from Walmart. It's a very light pink. It's really pretty. It's actually very light. It becomes more translucent when it goes into the resin and you mix it up. That looks like enough. I will get my red glitter, also from Walmart. I need to restock on my red glitter. It's getting low. Used it in Christmas stuff and Valentine's stuff. So we got that in there. I'll get these out of the way. And then I'm going to take my, however you say that, eye candy. And this is kind of a shimmery, silvery white. I don't know exactly how to explain the color. Get that into my measuring cup. Put that aside. And then I am going to grab some decorative glass. I'm just going to pour some out into my hand and dump it into the resin. Get that mixed up in there a little bit. I have really enjoyed putting the glass into my projects. I like how it looks. I wish they had more color to choose from though. I'm going to see about trying to make my own. I don't know if you can use maybe the alcohol inks to color it. So I'm going to give that a try and see how that works out. Alright, so all I'm doing is putting in my glass, and like before with the pink, I'm just going to try to get some in each of my letters in different places. It was a little hard to scoop with the popsicle stick. I do end up just tipping it a little bit and pushing it out. It was much easier. It was messier, but it was easier. I'd also like to say thank you to the people who wished me a speedy recovery. I do seem to be feeling better. I have my energy back. I'm still a little bit nasally, but the energy was probably what was the worst part of the whole thing. Just having no energy to do anything, wanting to sleep the whole time. And of course, I start to feel better just in time for this big blizzard. So timing is everything. I am going to grab my seed beads, and I want to use one of the pinks, and I'm thinking the light pink will look good. Just grab these out of here. And I need to be careful because last time I used these little seed beads when I tried opening it, they went everywhere. So no problem this time though. I'm gonna take some of them and put them in my resin, mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the pink glitter one, the light pink glitter, and mix it up, and then I'm gonna put some, just scatter them through the letters as well, directly into the mold. These are probably going to sink in my resin, so that's why I'm going to just put some directly into the mold. I will get the last bit of the beads into the L, and I think that's pretty good for those. Now to get some of this pink glitter with the beads in it, I'm going to pour some in, and if you can tell, it's pretty light, so like I was saying before, it like went iridescent once it went into the resin. So it's kind of, I don't know, it's not pink anymore really. I am going to make it work though. It should look just fine in here with the other colors that I'm going to add. That should be good. Now I will do the red glitter. Get that mixed up and start pouring some in there. The red is really going to be what sets it off, I think. The other ones are kind of muted and pale light colors, so to have that pop of red in there, I think is going to look good. I am pretty happy with that. I'll just put a little red into the ends of this E, and I think that should be good. I will grab the pink and put a little bit more pink in there, because I don't have too much pink now. The beads don't show up too much, and that glitter got washed away, so I'm going to add the mica powder in there. And I think that looks pretty good. Get a little bit of my white, shimmery white in there as well. I have no real plan. I'm just pouring stuff here and there where I think it might need it. It'll all work itself out in the end anyway, and it's going to flow where it wants to flow and merge together the way it wants to. So really what I'm doing doesn't make too much of a difference, but makes me feel better. Just want to fill this up as much as I can. Use up what I have in these cups here. Scrape some more in. See if I can get any flow to happen. Add more of my white. And I really think that's all that I'm going to do. I'm going to add some clear to it, so the clear will kind of push the colors and the glitter around and hopefully have some kind of cool effect to it. And that'll be it. I'll just add this clear and let it do what it's gonna do. And I will be back to demold it. Alright, it is time to demold this little love sign. Hopefully we've got some kind of cool effect going on. We will find out. This should be a cute little table topper sign. It stands up by itself, so you can put it on a shelf, put it on the table, on the counter. Put it on a tier tray too, I guess. That'd be cute. A lot of people decorate tier trays for the holidays. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, aw, I love it. See what I did there? Seriously though, I think it looks really good. Let's see the pink. I didn't think I'd see too much of the pink. Can see the beads good. Can see some of the mirrored glass. I always put too little glass. I should always put more. Oh no, I like it. All right, what do you think? Let me know, and I'll get you some final pictures. Thanks for watching.